Michael Recycles, back in Atwater Township, beautiful Portage County, Ohio. What most people don't know about the solid waste department in Portage County is we provide an extra free service where we trim trees. That's a joke. A tree branch has knocked my work light. Now it's pointed up. And I really can't see anything, so I'm gonna try and fix it here. How about now? Now I can see my bends. And seeing is half the battle. So yeah, occasionally you take out a tree branch, and unfortunately it messes with your truck sometimes.